The size. This is minus 10 degrees out in Bengaluru. This is crazy, man. Look at this. Oh my god, I can't even step in that water, man. Oh my god, I got crazy. God, look at this crazy wave, bro. Oh my god. Holy cow, man.
Road ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
Oh, look at that. Kiran.
ಪಾಪ ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ.
I hope it's pretty worse. But the hailstorm, man, no. Man, this is the first time in Bengaluru that this is happening. The first time in Bengaluru is happening. Hailstorm, crazy. I saw like hailstorm the size of my fist on the freaking road. It's literally raining hailstorm. Ice, bro, ice. I don't know how my mom is sitting over there. Look at that, with like flip-flops. Transformer at the end of the road. I think he blasted because there was blue spots coming out of it. Like crazy, bro, crazy. Oh, there, hailstorms everywhere. My house.